once these get debris, whether it's hard mineral or sediment built up in them, these aerators don't work too well. You just gotta unscrew them, clean them out, and then they'll work pretty good again. Some faucets have them, some don't, but it's really simple to do. Watch this video and I'll show you how you can make your faucet run like this too. So I have a problem. Ever since the water main blew the other day and they got it fixed, now when I turn the water on, the water continuously keeps kind of coming. And I have a feeling there's pressure built up in here because this is full of sediment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this aerator off and we'll get it fixed. So to avoid damaging it, I'm going to wrap a cloth around it. So we're just going to unscrew it. Kind of working it back and forth because it's a little stiff. Unscrew it out. And as you can see, there is all kinds of debris built up in here. So we're just going to stop that up. I'm just going to clean this aerator out. Fortunately, that's about all I'm getting out of there because it's pretty embedded in there. I don't want to damage the screen, so put the washer back on here. And finger tighten it back up. That's all it really takes. What'll happen though is as that gets stuff built up on it, or it'll calcium, hard minerals will clog it up so it won't want to turn. So you gotta use something to knock it out. You see now, as you can see, water turns off pretty fast. And that's how you can actually just clean these aerators out. It is usually you get a grip on them with something, and then turn them, and then you can pop them out, clean out all the debris, and you're good to go.